Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. In this video I'm gonna show different unique and stylish pebble home decoration ideas. You can make easily at home different types of beautiful pebbles and stones art, and you can draw different painting, you can draw different message for your family members, and you can give different amazing beautiful Christmas home decoration, Christmas stones art, Christmas wall decoration, and etc. And you can make different types of gifts for Christmas, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, viewers. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.